with a new video for an advanced level user. In this video we will show how to separate different figures, elements of a picture in order to give them a different Z height. This is very useful for a visually impaired student because we will help him or her to distinct different elements concerning their Z height. So, in the pixlr application, open image, we select again our initial design. Let's remove the cloud again. Okay, let's say now that in this picture we want to have 4 different pictures separating each one of the following elements: the base of the mountain, the lava, the smoke, and the egg. First of all, we save this picture as a PNG and as advanced number 1. Save. The picture saved. So let's start, for example, making the background white, removing the egg and the lava. Next step, we select the draw tool. Actually, we draw with white color above the elements that we want to remove. It's a very easy procedure. Okay. Switching to black color. File, save as advanced number 2. New image. No file, open image. Let's select again the initial here page. Now we want to select only the lava and remove all the other elements. We follow the same procedure again. Switch color. And finally, with the draw tool, switching colors, fill, make this black, and this white. We can see here some lines from the smoke. And finally, we save this picture with a different name. Advanced number 3. So we follow the same procedure for the smoke and for the egg, and we create 4 different files with each one of these different elements. Tinkercad design software, I open my design with the previous inserted object. I remove this one, I delete it, and now I import each one of the SVG files that I created as a different element from the initial picture. So I insert, for example, the base of the mountain. Remember that you have to adjust the scaling of the object, and it is very, very critical here to remember that all the elements that you will insert has to have the same scaling. For example, 10%, import the base of the mountain. I continue, import the lava, 10%, import the smoke, 10%, finally import the rolling egg, 10%, sorry, import. Perfect. Now you can see I have 4 different objects in my design panel. So I select the base, for example. I need the base to have a smaller height than others, 2 millimeters. The lava, 3 millimeters. The smoke, 4 millimeters. And the egg, I need for the egg 3 millimeters again. So now you can see that actually I have 4 different elements at different Z height, and I can adjust the Z height I want concerning my desire and the needs of my students. All I have to do now is actually export here everything in the design, not the selected shape, into an STL format. And finally, in my downloads folder, I will find my STL file. This is a way that I can make individual adjustments for every different element of a picture.